Good day guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to simply connect Telegram with n8n. So firstly, at the first step, this is going to be the first step towards making our first automation. Click on it and in the search for notes, type in Telegram. Click on here, choose which trigger you want, let's say on message, and in here select credential, new credential. And in here, we'll need access token. So the access token needs to be taken from a certain Telegram bot that I will show you right now. All right, now in Telegram, you're looking for the bot called bot father. You can just go into the search, type in bot father, like that. You go here. This is the official bot by Telegram. As you can see, it's verified. And in here, guys, you need to create a new bot. So you just type in /new bot. Now, what are you going to call it? Test bot for n8n, for example. Enter. Choose the username. Test n8n test bot 1234. Oh, right. Underscore bot. Okay. Great, and now as you can see, it says use this token to access the HTTP API. Just click on it and now navigate back to n8n. In n8n, you just post and basically paste this access token and press on save. And as you can see, credentials successfully created inside your personal space. And now if you go back, you have a new automation Telegram trigger. This is how it's done, guys. Pretty simple. Enjoy. If you like our content on our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe.